and welcome to another episode of Sundays of Cars. Well, today we are not covering any one of these cars, but like shamelessly we have gone with the GTI to 4S Auto. Since our Vtec is getting restored at 4S Auto, the Honda City Vtec, we took the GTI to pick up the wheels of the Vtec. So these are the wheels of the Vtec. This wheels have to pack it in the box and send it to Bangalore to get it restored. They will face this from 0.1 mm. It's going to SX8 Bangalore. It has an Instagram account and they have good Honda City parts and everything. Honda City Type 2 mostly, original VTEC spoilers and all that stuff. So I'm sending this 5 wheels to Bangalore. So we'll be packing it into boxes. First we have to go for boxes hunting, then we have to go for bubble wrap hunting, then we have to pack this in 2 or 3 boxes, and then we'll be going to Sion and we'll be dropping it in transport to send it to Bangalore. And yeah, so this is about today. The Sundays are for cars. So I picked up cling wrap to wrap the wheels and then put it in the box. I have to go for box hunting, and I picked up this Wonder tape, brown one, and I picked up this transparent tape to write the receiver's address and then tape it and all that stuff and then cling wrap it. So I brought this stuff and I have to go for box hunting. So that's a major task to get the right size boxes. But anyways, I have to pack these guys and send them to Bangalore today. We have come, so we have come to buy some boxes to fit the wheels. We have come directly to the guy who sells these boxes. So we are buying this second-hand boxes. So we will be putting wheels. I don't know how it will fit. We are trying to fit 2 wheels in one boxes or 1 wheel in one boxes. So because his box length is a bit small, and he said we don't want those washing machine boxes or something, or AC boxes, something like that. So we'll be picking this. And Swapne sir is it there? Swapne, say hi. Hi. He's very camera shy. He's good in editing. He has put on GTR reel on his what is it? FX by Swapne on Instagram. You can go and check it out. He has put the Valley Run reel. He's very good in editing, but he is not good in taking videos. So yeah, this guy is giving us boxes. We have got some chai to have, and then I have wrapped this thing into cling wrap. Now we'll be opening the boxes, fixing the boxes with tape and everything, and then putting the rims in it and packing it. So I managed to fit 3 wheels in one boxes. There's one down there, one here, one there. I put the cardboard from this in the middle so that it doesn't touch each other or get scraped. And I have wrapped it in cling wrap so that it doesn't have scratches or something like that. I've tried my level best to keep it. It is a much more tough task in getting the restored wheels back. That time the sender has to send it to me very nicely, wrapped in bubble wrap and all that. Then it will be worth, because then you cannot afford having scratches on it. Currently you can afford minor scratches or something like that in transport, but once it's back from restoration, don't this is a big task to get it very nicely, because these wheels are going to Bangalore. I don't know how well they're going to take it, but I'm trying my level best to send it very nicely. So I'll be packing them, fixing them back as low as I can get, and taping them nicely and sending it to Bangalore. Got the boxes dropped, got the receipt for it. So the wheels are sent to Bangalore, to SX8 Spare Parts Bangalore. Mr. Farhan will be receiving the wheels day after tomorrow, since it's going to go tomorrow in the bus to Bangalore, and then after that he'll be restoring and sending it back. So the next video will be on how great the wheels look. For now we have done everything, packed it and everything, and sent it to Bangalore. So he's the best guy in the industry to get the wheels restored, because we don't have that kind of machinery over here. There is machinery, but we'll have to source someone who can fit the wheels and then spin it around on the lathe machine. Have a proper tool made for it and all that. So no one has that much of time to get the tool made or something like that and then get it faced, and most of the people don't want to do it over here in Bombay. So that's the reason we are sending it to Bangalore, a place where most of the automotive things get done. Like many of our things, Bangalore in the racing term and everything, Bangalore is a bit advanced in the whole of India when it comes to racing and all this stuff. Now, I said whole of India. I know some people from different places, from Kerala or somewhere, will get offended, or Delhi maybe. But Bangalore is ahead, bro. They were ahead in racing terms and everything. Most of the Yamahas and everything got tuned from Bangalore, and that's how we all started to know that how to get the vehicles well tuned, the RDs and everything made. So yeah, Bangalore is ahead, and they if any problem or anything with yours or something like that. If I have a problem with coilovers, where can I make it? There are people in Bangalore who can repair it. If I have problem with porting a Yamaha or something like that, like mostly these people are taught it. So most of the small problem, Bangalore always has a solution. So this is like that. Other no place in India has a direct solution to it. So yeah, so let us. I'll see you all in the next vlog. Till then, ride safe, ride hard, stay insane. Bye.